Bonjour, bonjour. This is your sous chef, Zerfron, and you watching a Snapchat short, baby, where we go right into it. Keep it simple, keep it funny, and we might say a couple words that kids don't like. So, parental discretion is advised, shot. Come on now, let's get cooking. Let go. I like it.
Fricken, Sticken, Chicken. Or just Sticky Chicken.
First, you got the onions. And then you add the butter, and you want to melt the butter, you want to melt it good. Yes you do, yes you do. You melt the butter good. And then you have the bacon. Don't forget about the bacon. You're going to add the bacon and the juices to the butter and the onion.
Oh man, it's not freaking onion thing. It's gonna be so good. Yes! Yes! Ooh, look at them onions! Alright, onions, bacon, add some green onions, all that's perfect now. Kind of frying the chicken in a sense. I just did it in some flour mixture. Did that just to brown it. This is gonna add to the gravy. I'm about to put these in the pot. Just laying next to each other. On top of the onions, like so. Like that. Then I'm gonna add some water, just enough to cover it. And like my people always told me, if you ain't cooking with it, you don't need to be drinking with it. But there we go. Put that baby on simmer. Oh yeah. Really? Y'all just gonna sit there and watch them? Oh my God! Yeah. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, I added a few more things. I can't tell you all my secrets, man. Throw this over some rice. It got a nice, sweet, spicy, tangy flavor going on. Oh, baby. So simple ingredients. But it does wonders. Yeah. Oh my God, look at you. I need some rice. Feed me!
Witness the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you.
Yeah.